Today I would like to talk to you about the skincare lover's dream, or complete starter kits. These are a wonderful way to experience the whole Leaf People line in one set. And we have created these for each of our different product lines. The kits include a daily wash, a toner, a hydrating mist, a day serum, and a cream. And then each line has its own special product. So for the rose line, you'll get a hydrating mask. For the green line, you'll get the luminous scrub. The purple line features the eye serum, and the clinical line comes with 2 serums. We have also created this kit for our men's line as well as our unscented line. So you can see the featured products on those product pages. I love this kit because it's everything you need in one set. So it's a perfect way to experience the line at home. We also have a lot of clients who will just buy this complete travel kit when they travel, and then that's all the skincare that they take with them. It's also a fun way to mix and match your regime. So sometimes I'll buy the purple kit for winter, and then as we move into spring and I want to give my skin a little detox, I'll move into the green line for a short bit, but then I can use some of the green products with the purple products and see how they work together. So sometimes buying these different kits at various times of the year where the products are more seasonally appropriate, it's a great opportunity to intermix some of our lines together and experience that effect on your skin. So how you would use these kits, so you would first do your cleanser, and you could do that with your hands, with a washcloth. You can use these cleansers also with a Clarisonic brush or a face sponge. And then after washing your face and rinsing it, you would move on to the toner with a cotton pad. And we have more extensive directions on how to tone your skin in the toning videos on that page. And then you would do a little bit of hydrating mist, about 2 or 3 spritzes on the face. And while the hydrating mist is on the skin, I like to apply the serum at that point so that you have the mist and serum going into the skin at the same time. And then you would just top with a little bit of cream. The specialty product you would work in depending on which kit you have. So the Radiant Mask is a perfect item to use a couple nights a week instead of the serum cream combination. It's also a great product to use underneath your sunscreen if you're going to be outside all day, either outside in the hot sun, outside in heavy wind, or outside in cold weather. And then always the last thing you apply is your sunscreen. So your sunscreen is going to go on top of all these different steps. And then if you're working with one of the complete kits from a different line, they do include a card. So if you're using the purple line kit, it will explain to you when to use the eye serum. If you're in the green line kit, it will explain to you when and how to use the scrub. So all of those instructions are included in each of the kits. We have a whole page on our website dedicated to our travel and starter kits. We hope you have the opportunity to try these. As I mentioned, it's just a wonderful way to use the entire product line together and experience the radiance and smoothness that's created in the skin when you're utilizing all the products from a single line. They also make great gifts for people. If you have a skincare lover in your life, this is a wonderful kit that you can give as a gift. And then the other way that I really like to use these kits is sometimes if I want to bring in a few products from a different line into my daily regime, I'll just buy the kit, say in the green line when I'm using the purple line as my primary regime. And then I can mix out different products for different effects with my skin. So we hope you have an opportunity to try these kits either for yourself or for someone else. We know you're really going to love them.